Children are taking the chapter 12 identities. First, know about this four special product that are x plus a, x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b, x plus ab, x plus a, x minus b equal to x square plus a minus b, x minus ab, x minus a, x plus b gives x square minus a minus b in bracket x minus ab, x minus a, x minus b equal to x square minus a plus b, x plus ab. So with the help of four special product, you will do the sum of the exercise 12a. Children, I am taking question number 1 of exercise 12a, that is x plus 8 and x plus 3, and we have to evaluate the following product. So, what we know about the special product, that is x plus a, x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b, x plus ab. Use that special product and get the answer of this. So, we have x square plus 8 plus 3x plus 8 into 3. So that is x square plus 11x plus 24. Similarly, y plus 5, y minus 3. So what is the product of that? Y square plus 5 minus 3, as the 3 is negative, so y minus 5 minus 3, and y minus 5 into 3, as the 3 is negative, so we will write this minus sign here. So 5 3 is 15, minus 15 here, 5 minus 3 we get the 2y and y square. So answer is y square plus 2y minus 15. So in that manner you will do the sum of exercise 12a, first and second part. Children, now I am taking question number 1, third part, that is a minus 8, a plus 2. So write down. So we have a square minus 8 minus 2 into a minus 8 into 2. So we have a square minus 6a minus 16. That is the product of this a minus 8, a plus 2. We will use the special product, that of that x minus a, x plus b equal to x square minus a minus b, x minus ab. So with the help of this special product, we will get the product of this a minus 8, a plus 2. Now similarly we can find the b minus 3 multiplied to b minus 5. So we will get this product by using the special product, that is x minus a, x minus b, that is equal to x square minus a plus b, x plus ab. So use that product, we will get the b square minus 3 plus 5, b plus 5 into 3, and the product is b square minus 5 plus 3, 8b, and plus 5 into 3, that is 15. So that is the answer of this product. So in that manner you will do the question number 1, third and fourth part. Children, now I am taking question number 2, seventh part, that is ab plus x square and ab minus x square. Use the special product for solving this. So we will have ab whole square plus x square minus x square into ab minus x square into x square. That will give you x square minus x square will cancel each other. This terms will become the 0. So we get the ab whole square, that is a square b square minus x square into x square, that will give you the x to the power 4. So a square b square minus x to the power 4 is the product of ab plus x square and ab minus x square. Again I am taking question number 2, ninth part, that is z minus 2.3 and z plus 2.3. Same special product we will use for that. Z square plus 2 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3, z minus 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3 will cancel each other. So we will get the z square minus 2 into 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3, that will give you the 4 upon 9. So that is the answer of z minus 2 upon 3 and z plus 2 upon 3. So in that manner you will do this type of sums of this exercise. Children, I am taking question number 2, 11th part, that is 0.5 minus 2a and 0.5 plus 2a. So use the special products. We will have the 0.5 whole square minus 2a minus 2a, bracket close, 0 multiply 0.5 and minus 2a multiply 2a. So minus 2a will cancel to each other. That will give the 0 of this terms, we will get the 0. So now 0.5 whole square, that is 0.25, and 2a into 2a, that will give the 4a square. So 0.25 minus 4a square is the product of 0.5 minus 2a and 0.5 plus 2a. So in that manner you will do the question number 2, 11th part. Children, now taking question number third, first part, that is a plus 1, a minus 1, a square plus 1. So use the identity, we will use this identity for first two bracket, that is a plus 1, a minus 1. That will give you the a square plus 1 minus 1, a minus 1 into 1. And a square plus 1 we will leave as it is. So product of this we will get the a square, 1 minus 1 will cancel each other, will give the 0. So this term will become the 0 and we will get the a square minus 1 in the first bracket, and a square plus 1, that is written already, that is the last bracket. So a square, now use this special product for this one, a square minus 1, a square plus 1. So we will have a square, then whole square minus 1 into a square minus 1 into 1. The second term will become the 0 as 1 minus 1 will give the 0. So we will have the a square whole square, that will give the a to the power 4 minus 1 into 1, that will give the 1. So that is the product of a plus 1, a minus 1, a square plus 1. So in that manner you will do the question number 3, first part. Children, now taking question number 3, fifth part, that is 3x minus 4y, 3x plus 4y and 9x square plus 16y square. So we will get the product of first two bracket, that is 3x minus 4y and 3x plus 4y. Now the product of this, that is 3x whole square minus 4y into 3x minus 4y into 4y. That will give you the, as the middle bracket, middle term will give you a 0, 4y minus 4y, that will be the 0. So middle term will become the 0. So first term, the last term will become the 3x whole square, that will give the 9x square, and the 4y into 4y, that will give the 16y square. So first bracket is this, and the second bracket, that is 9x square plus 16y square. Now we will get the product of this one. Same identity we will use that, the same special product we will use that, that is the 9x square whole square minus 16y square minus 16y square, 9x square minus 16y square into 16y square, that will give the 256y to the power 4. A middle bracket, middle term will become the 0 as 16y square minus 16y square will give the 0. So middle term become the 0, and the first term will 9x square, that is the whole square, that will give the 81x to the power 4. So you will get the product of this 3x minus 4y, 3x plus 4y and 9x square plus 16y square, that is 81x to the power 4 minus 256y to the power 4. So in that manner you will do question number 3, fifth part. Children, now taking question number 4 of exercise 12a, that is use the formula a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square for solving the sums. So the first sum I am going to take 21 into 19. So 21, children, 21 we can write the 20 plus 1, and the 19 we can write the 20 minus 1. And this product will become the as a plus b, a minus b. So use the formula a plus b, a minus b. What is that? A square minus b square. That is 20 plus 1, 20 minus 1. That will give the 20 square minus 1 square. So 20 square, that is a 400, and the 1 square, that is 1. So 400 minus 1, we will get the 399. So 399 is the answer of 21 into 19. So in that manner, using the product a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square, you can solve the product of 21 into 19. Children, now taking question number 4, fourth part. The same product we will use the formula, that is a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So we have 9.8 multiplied 10.2, we have to find out. 9.8 we can write 10 minus 0.2, and the 10.2 we can write 10 plus 0.2. So use the a square minus b square, we get the 10 square minus 0.2 whole square. So 10 square, that will give the 100, and the 0.2 whole square, that will be 0.04. The subtract 0.04 from the 100, we will get the 99.96. So the product of 9.8 into 10.2, that is 99.96. So in that manner you will do question number 4, fourth part. Children, I am taking question number 5, first part. 6 minus xy and 6 plus xy, use identity a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus y. A plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So write the 6 whole square minus xy whole square, that is 6 is 36 minus x square y square. So that is the answer of 6 minus xy and 6 plus xy. Same identity we will use, or same special product we will use this for this one. A upon 2b plus 2b upon a upon 2b minus 2b upon a. So we get the a upon 2b whole square minus 2b upon a whole square. That is a square upon 4b square minus 4b square upon a square. So in that manner you will do two sums of exercise 12A, 5, first and third part. Children, I am taking question number 5, fifth part, that is 2a plus 3, 2a minus 3 and 4a square plus 9. So use the special product a plus b, a minus b, that will give the 2a plus 3, 2a minus 3, that is 4a square minus 9 and 4a square plus 9. So the product plus 9, that is 16, a to the power 4 minus 9 times 81. So that is the answer of the product 2a plus 3, 2a minus 3. I am taking question number 5, 10th part, 9a plus 7b and 3a minus b. So how can we do that? First we will multiply 9a into 3a minus b, that is 9a 3a minus b, and the minus 7b again we will multiply to the 3a minus b. So write down the minus 7b into 3a minus b. Now find the product 9a into 3a, that will give the 27a square, 9a into minus b, that will be the minus 9ab, minus 7b into 3a, that will be the minus 20ab, and minus 7b into minus b, that will be the plus 7b square. So now minus 9ab and minus 21ab will add together with the same sign, negative 30ab minus 30ab, and the 27a square before that, and the last term is 7b square. So 27a square minus 30ab plus 7b square is the product of 9a minus 7b and 3a minus b. So in that manner you will do the sum number 5, 5th and 10th part.